Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am doing a quick unboxing of Lenovo K8 Plus mobile. This is a very powerful phone. As you can see, I ordered it from Flipkart. The Lenovo K8 Plus Lenovo. You can see the box. Dual cameras, 13MP plus 5MP, 2.5 GHz octa-core processor, 12.7-inch Full HD screen, fingerprint scanner, 8MP front camera, 4GB memory module, 32GB storage, and that's it. Let's open the box. Wait, I open the box. So I have opened the seal. All the one seal is left. So wait a second. I forget to open a seal. Now the box is open. Here is the Lenovo K8 Plus, as you can see. Here is the device. Hope you will see. It's a very slim and the color is venom black, which is very good in my first opinion. Here also state some key specifications, and there is the dual camera, the main highlight of that phone. So let's check the box contents. Let me keep it side. Here is the charger. Let's check the ampere rating. Let me focus. It's not a fast charger. Its output at 5.2 volts at 0.3 sorry 5.2 volts at 2 amp. So bit of fast charger, but not a very fast charger. Let me keep it side. There are micro USB to USB cable, no headphones. Here is a SIM ejector tool. Let me open this. Here is the quick start guide and some leaflets. Let me keep this stuff side and come to the main device. So guys, let's boot the device. Now it's booting. As you can see, Lenovo. For the reason I am not peel off the sticker which is on the screen, so sorry for that guys. It says powered by Android and fingerprint, 4000 mAh battery. All does it says. Now it's booting and taking the physical overview on the top. I think so. In the top, I think you can see the 3.5 mm jack, the secondary noise cancellation microphone, two cameras, fingerprint scanner, the touch capacitive button. These are not backlight. And let's go. Let's boot this. Let's check out this device and wait. I will boot this device and then I will show you. And this is the micro SD board, two grills, for one is speaker, one is microphone. Here is the SIM card tray, and sorry, this button is for power, not for power button, but a special key. We have to check what is that, so please wait. So guys, that device is now set. As you can see, the full stockish Android experience. That's nice. Let's check the Android first. For this we have to go to the settings, and we are now on the settings and going to about phone. As you can see, it's just running on the latest Android Nougat. That's it, 7.1.1. Great. Let's go to the home, and this is a very fluid device. And as you can see, brightness level is okay because it is not very bright in my first opinion, but it is okay. Let's check the main highlight, the camera. Now where is the camera? Here is the camera. Next, allow. Here is next. Got it. Okay, now the camera is set and got it. Now here you can see the dual camera. Let's take some picture.